Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com, here with another kick-ass helmet graphic of the week. Inside this helmet bag, odds are you probably have already figured out this is another one of the Alpinestars SuperTech R10 helmets. We already showed you the red one, we showed you the blue one. Now we're going to show you the one that was really hard to get. This is the High-viz variant of the Arius helmet. Consensus around here, which I do not agree with, is out of the three colors, the red, the blue, and the high-viz, people who are probably wrong seem to think this is the best looking of the three. Feel free to share your thoughts on that in the comments of this. I mean, I think it looks great. I put the included dark smoke shield on it for effect. Nobody's riding in the clear unless it's raining outside. It's nasty. This helmet's going to ship complete with a clear screen, a dark smoke screen. It comes with the big GP style spoiler already installed on the helmet. Alpinestars gives you with this one another sport sized spoiler for the back if you want to change it out. Comes in a little protective bag, obviously color matched to your helmet. Included is the pin lock fog-free insert that's going to work with either the clear or the dark smoke screen. That is the benchmark for fog-free performance. It's flawless. It's going to ship with your first package of race tear-offs if you use those to protect the shield. And then, of course, a premium Alpinestars padded helmet bag. What's interesting with this one, the blue one and the red one, they were in stock. We were able to order those from distribution, no problem. This one, it shows there won't be any inventory until like September. We do have some of these on order with the distributor. We were able to snag a handful of these from Alpinestars Direct. So if you want one before September, take a look at our website and grab yours before they're gone.